how to buy Ghibli Elon token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 200% in less than 4 hours. This token trending number 10 in this section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. Now click on your token. Now click on I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive the token. After that, to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back. So here you can click on swap to be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Ghibli Elon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.